Hey there, fellow Gen Xers. You know, our generation has seen it all. From dialing rotary phones and flipping through phone books, to patiently rewinding VHS tapes on Friday nights after watching blockbuster rentals. We've navigated everything from cassette tapes to streaming services and witnessed firsthand the rise and evolution of the digital age. Now we're standing right in front of another technological revolution, artificial intelligence. But here's the catch. There's so much noise out there, so many myths and misconceptions swirling around AI, that it's easy to get lost in the hype. Today we're cutting through all of that. We're debunking some of the most persistent AI myths, one by one, so we can embrace AI with confidence. Because let's face it, Gen Xers, we aren't just bystanders in this new digital frontier. We're the perfect navigators. So buckle up, sit back, grab your favorite beverage, and let's separate fact from fiction. Let's dive into myth number 1. AI thinks exactly like a human. Sounds fascinating and maybe a little scary, right? We've seen movies like Terminator, Blade Runner, and The Matrix. It's no wonder we assume AI has this profound, human-like intelligence. But the truth is, AI isn't conscious. It doesn't think or feel like we do. Instead, AI is an incredibly powerful set of algorithms designed to recognize patterns, process data, and make predictions based on that information. It's brilliant at tasks like analyzing vast amounts of data or recognizing faces, but it doesn't experience emotions or consciousness. The human element is still very much needed to guide, interpret, and manage AI's output. Myth number 2, AI is going to take all of our jobs. Now, I get it. This is a big one, especially for our generation that's in the heart of our careers. But the reality? AI isn't here to replace all jobs. It's here to enhance and transform them. Just like computers automated repetitive tasks decades ago, AI is automating tedious work today. This frees us up to focus on creative, strategic, and deeply human tasks. In fact, studies show that AI is likely to create even more jobs than it replaces, especially in areas like AI ethics, system management, and creative content creation. So, rather than fearing AI, let's prepare ourselves to harness it and remain indispensable in the evolving workplace. Moving on to myth number 3. You need to be a tech genius to use AI. Remember when we thought computers were just for engineers or IT professionals? Now they're part of daily life. The same is true for AI. Tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, or even Google Assistant don't require tech expertise. They're intuitive and accessible to everyone. If you can send an email or use a smartphone, you can effectively utilize AI in your daily life. So, don't let the complexity of technology hold you back. AI is designed to simplify your life, not complicate it. Let's bust myth number 4. AI is always unbiased and completely accurate. The truth? AI learns from human-generated data, and humans aren't perfect. We've seen examples of AI systems that unintentionally perpetuate human biases, like facial recognition technologies struggling to accurately recognize people of color, or hiring algorithms favoring certain demographics. That's why it's crucial we actively work to ensure fairness and transparency in AI systems. AI is powerful, but it still needs careful human oversight and continuous refinement to reach its potential fairly. Now, myth number 5. AI is a brand new concept. Here's the reality check. AI isn't new. It's been around since the mid-20th century. Remember IBM's Deep Blue, which beat chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997? That's AI. What about Siri, introduced way back in 2011? Yep, also AI. Today's advanced tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney build on decades of incremental progress. AI isn't a sudden explosion. It's a long, ongoing journey that's finally entering its prime. Next up, myth number 6. AI will completely replace human creativity. The good news is, creativity isn't something AI can fully replicate. AI can generate art, music, and even literature, but it's always based on existing human-created content. AI doesn't have lived experiences, emotions, or intuition, core elements of human creativity. Instead, AI is a fantastic collaborator, a tool to inspire us, assist us, and help amplify our creativity, not replace it. Let's clear up myth number 7. AI is too expensive for small businesses or individuals? Not true at all. AI is more affordable and accessible than ever. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva's AI image generator, or Grammarly offer free or low-cost versions that small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals can easily afford. Gone are the days when cutting-edge technology was reserved for giant corporations. Today, AI empowers businesses of every size, including your side hustle or local boutique shop. Myth number 8. AI understands context exactly like humans. We humans naturally grasp nuance, sarcasm, and cultural references. AI, not so much. AI tools excel at analyzing data and patterns, but they lack a deep contextual understanding. Sometimes AI can misinterpret tone or context, especially in subtle communications or cultural nuances. That's why your input and oversight remain crucial. AI assists us, but it doesn't replace our human understanding. Myth number 9. AI will soon surpass human intelligence across the board. This one can seem scary, but let's ground ourselves in reality. While AI can outperform humans in specific tasks, like calculating complex equations or sorting vast data sets, it doesn't yet have general intelligence or common sense. AI systems today are specialized. They perform well-defined tasks exceptionally, but aren't broadly intelligent across multiple domains like we humans are. True artificial general intelligence is still hypothetical and likely decades away. Myth number 10. AI development is completely beyond our control. AI is absolutely within human control. Every algorithm is developed, trained, and implemented by people. Our choices determine AI's trajectory, ensuring ethical usage, transparency, and responsible implementation. Regulations and oversight are being developed globally to ensure AI benefits humanity rather than harm it. As Gen Xers, we play a crucial role in guiding AI towards positive ethical outcomes. Finally, myth number 11. AI poses an existential threat to humanity. Hollywood loves this one, but realistically, AI is an incredibly valuable tool. Just like electricity or the internet, any technology can be harmful or beneficial depending on how we use it. AI holds immense potential to improve healthcare, tackle climate change, and boost global productivity. Our job is to ensure responsible use. Together, we have the power to shape AI into a positive force for humanity. There you have it. 11 major AI myths busted wide open. Now, Gen X, why does this matter? Because just like we've navigated every major tech shift before, we're perfectly suited to not only understand, but also harness AI's potential. AI isn't here to diminish our roles, but to enhance them, freeing us from repetitive tasks, amplifying our creativity, and helping us solve complex problems. If you found this enlightening, share this video with other Gen Xers who want clarity about AI. Drop your comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, concerns, or even your favorite busted myths. And make sure to subscribe for more straightforward insights that empower our generation. Gen X friends, we've always been the adaptable, resilient generation. Let's keep leading, innovating, and embracing change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.